Welcome to the short tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the duplicate data in Excel. So here is the list of the data, the name. First, we select all. Then we go to data. You can see the remove duplicates here. We just click on it. We selected the column D. So we click OK. You can choose to tick whether your data has the headers or not. Click OK. So it will inform you the find duplicate value found and remove. 7 unique value remain. Okay, that's all the remove duplicate data. Thank you for watching.